All right, in this video, we're going to talk about 3.2 Objective 4, where we find points where the functions are continuous and differentiable. Let's go ahead and get started. So in the interval of 0 to 5 shown on this graph here, f is not continuous at x equals 1, where that jump is. It's continuous everywhere else. In the interval of 0 to 5, f is not differentiable at 1, where it's discontinuous. Also, it's not differentiable at 2, where that sharp corner is. Let's go ahead and continue here. On this interval here, we're not continuous at -2 or 0. And then that means we're not differentiable at -2, 0, or at the sharp corner at 2. Not continuous at 1, not differentiable at 1 or 2. Positive slope abruptly becomes negative, abruptly becomes constant positive, so that's C. Not continuous at -1, not differentiable at -1 or 0. And then we are positive, skip 0, it's undefined there, go becomes negative, then undefined becomes positive. So that is going to be D. Yep, positive and then negative, yeah, so that's D. And then we want to find where this is continuous at 2. So that will be 2m minus 4 is equal to 4. Add 4 to both sides. 2m is equal to 8. M is equal to 4. We'll make this continuous. We have a limit from the left and a limit from the right that we want to exist, but we don't want the limit to exist because the derivative won't be defined at x equals a, which is -1. So they give us the function here of absolute value of 2x plus 2, which is 2 times the absolute value of x plus 1, that has a cusp or a vertex at -1, has a slope of 2 up to right 1 up to left 1. Slope on the right hand side is a +2, slope on the left hand side is a -2. The function is continuous at a, which is at -1, but it is not differentiable there because it has that corner, that cusp. All right. Now we have 3x plus 3 when x is less than or equal to -1, and 3x when x is greater than -1. So we should have parallel lines here with slopes of 3, and we should be going up to -1, 0, and then starting at -1, -3, and then going up from there. So that is actually C. So the correct jump is there in B, but they went the wrong direction with the slope. The slope is supposed to be +3. So we're coming up here to 0, and then we're jumping down and going up there, and these two lines here, this line and this line, are parallel. All right, both of them have a slope of 3. From the left and from the right, it's just not defined where the jump is there. And we have question 7. We're going to say it is not differentiable at a because at a is -1 because f is not continuous at -1. We have our function here that's not continuous at 8, and since it's not continuous at 8, it won't be differentiable at 8. So that's B, and that's it for this video. We'll come back next time and talk about 3.2 Objective 5, where we solve applications involving derivatives as functions. See you for the next video.